Hey guys, and this is the Pixel 3 Lite. Yes, this is the mid-range Pixel smartphone you all were waiting for, and I just cannot believe the leaks are from the same website which made the review of the Pixel 3 XL way before the launch event. I mean, is this the same black market Russian dealer behind the leaks again? It doesn't matter at all, cause we are getting some amazing information. Alright, so this is the thing. The Pixel 3 Lite is the third Pixel smartphone of the year 2018, and you can call it a standard Pixel 3 in terms of design, cause it is having the same design language, same 5.5 inches of Full HD panel. However, things were different with the headphone jack and internal specifications. Also, I have a great news for you all, so stay tuned till the end of this video. Okay, so we are getting a Snapdragon 670 processor which is having Adreno 615 GPU. 670 is actually more powerful than the 660 which can be found in the Nokia 7 Plus. There is 32 gigs of internal storage, and I really hope it's expandable. Cause 32 as only internal storage option is definitely a deal breaker. I hope there's more options like 64 gigs or 128 gigs, or else Google should provide the micro SD card support. There's 4 gigs of RAM, fair enough, cause even the Pixel 3 and 3 XL has similar RAM options. And the slightly downgrade is in the terms of battery. It's 2915 mAh battery, which is definitely the copy of the Pixel 3, but they have different processor and the battery life is going to be different. So I think if they have replicated the battery of Pixel 3 XL, would have been far better. Moving on, you're getting a 12 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front facing shooter, and I personally think it's going to be same as the Pixel 3 and 3 XL camera sensor. I think Google wants to provide the same camera experience cause this is their exclusive feature that no other brand has right now. So the design is same, it's going to look very similar to the standard Pixel 3 but with a headphone jack and a quite huge bezels, still 18:9, and you are going to see different color options. Maybe more colors than what are available right now with the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. And the codename of this device is Sargo, which was spotted way earlier in the AOSP commits. It's coming with Android 9.0 Pie. Yeah, nothing special here, but the most interesting part is the website also says there's another Pixel smartphone that Google is working on, and that's Bonito with Snapdragon 710 processor. So not only 2, not 3, but you will be getting 4 Pixel 3 smartphones this year or early next year. Amazing. So this is it guys, do like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the below comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and peace out.